Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to Danforth Garage. Yes, bitch. Danforth Garage here in Toronto. This is going to be awesome. Back-to-back garage videos, though. You lucky bitches. But yeah. Let's head over in that direction and see what's up. Oh my god. I hate this fucking camera. I hate this fucking camera. So yeah. You guys might be wondering why we are here. And I'm about to show ya. I'm about to show ya. Because today is Doors Open Toronto. How fucking cool is this? Look at the fishbowl, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. That is awesome. That is awesome. They also gave us this button, so yay. 225 tin. That is, oh my god. Electric Excelsior. And a Nova LFSE. I'm not gonna lie, ours look better. Ours look better.
I wasn't there with that.
Wow.
Yeah, I've been told.
And there's copyrighted music. Come on. Okay, let's get away from the loudspeakers before my channel gets terminated. The TTC work vehicle. I've only seen one of these bad bitches in person once.
Try it. Let's try it out.
So seeing one again, like 13 years later, is incredible. So yeah, this bad bus is completely restored. New engine, completely rebuilt. So yeah. GRT really need to get these Excelsiors because they look sexy as hell. Just imagine one of these guys in our electric decal. Ooh, that would be amazing.
Should we go find Dada and Claire? It's time to go home soon.
Why is this so plastic? WT.
These seats look awful. I'm not gonna lie. I understand they need lighter seats for the electrics, but you can still make them comfy, I think.
Every year they have open doors.
Sure, you need to pay your fare.
I could get anything. I feel good enough. Trying to get on here.
Hey, you're not the special constable. You're not. Hey, you're not the fair.
Okay, we'll line up after, okay?
Kind of sucks they don't have the original bench seating, but I guess it's pretty cool. These windows are iconic though.
Really rock.
Sorry.
No, Pharaoh Vader with me. Okay. Pharaoh Vader.
Alrighty guys, I am back, joined by David, train and bus man, so say hello.
Well, hi, finally met this dude in person.
Yes, I know, what a momentous occasion, meeting the angry Ontarian in person. I'm just that popular, guys. Trust. So yeah.
And I'm about to go to the Nova Hybrid, or the electric one.
Oh, the electric, fun.
Yeah, which you know who hates.
Make sure you get a lot of pictures for him.
Yeah, and I'm going to annoy him.
Very good.
And then you can post.
Remember when Sissy said the switchable face swatch? Switchable straps?
Beautiful, guys. Beautiful.
Let's see what the bus.
At least I got on that GM. I didn't even think that was going to happen with how freaking busy it is. Long live Grand River Transit, the superior agency.
Yo, are you free to play? Yo, don't open that.
Seriously, I should have worn all my GRT merch today. That would have been perfect. The biggest fuck you to the TTC by just coming to the doors open, decked out in GRT. Yes! Alright, we haven't been on the Nova yet, unfortunately. Not really. Please do not copyright me.
Yeah.
Respect the bus, David. Yeah, these plastic seats. Ooh, I thought our Gemini's bad.
I can't remember that quote.
Ooh, they're grilling wieners. That's amazing. That's literally the most exciting part of this event. Nova Bus. Doors open. 6004 and 6601. So yeah, I think this one's for replacing the overhead wires for the streetcars and shit. Kilios has something similar for ion maintenance, because the ion runs pretty much the exact trains as the streetcars, but better. But better. Who the fuck keeps honking?
I did wave testing once. It was, I got, so it was, it's gonna be like.
Let's actually head into the wheel trans bus, because I've never been on one of these bad bitches before.
We did it for like an hour. It was just holding us up because they have to do the safety, right? When there's big line.
Yo, what? Is the fish still on?
Ew, Nova. Okay guys, we're back in the garage now. Pretty freaking awesome. Yes, I know the lens flares, forgive me, but I'm not Jesus. waving there. Oh my god. Look at that. That looks so awful. Ew. That's not my good angle. Ugh. Fucking security cameras make me look ugly. I don't appreciate it. I don't appreciate it, guys. So guys, I guess it's time to head out. After one more walk around that bad bitch. Fucking love that thing. Overrated as hell, but awesome. And I think I can work with that for a thumbnail. So yeah. Whew.
Still hasn't looked rapid.
So guys, I guess that is pretty much it. So, if you like what you saw, please consider joining the Empire by liking and subscribing. If you absolutely fucking hated it, there's a button down there for you too. And my friends, like always, live life to the absolute fullest. And goodbye, you glorious motherfuckers.